Subscribing to my channel is a great way to support my work and motivate me to continue creating content that interests you. Unlocking the mystery: how cells with same DNA perform different functions. In the world of biology, a fascinating phenomenon occurs. Identical DNA present in every cell, yet they perform different functions. Let's delve into this mystery and unlock the secrets of cellular differentiation. All human cells, from skin cells to neurons, contain the same DNA. This DNA is like a master blueprint of the body, containing all genetic information necessary for the body's function. The DNA is coiled tightly into structures called chromosomes. Every cell in the body carries a complete set of these chromosomes, and thus, a complete set of DNA. Despite having identical DNA, cells don't all look or behave the same. This is because not all of the DNA in a cell is active. Different cells activate different parts of their DNA. This process of activating different parts of DNA in different cells is called gene expression. It is how cells with the same DNA can have different functions. For example, a nerve cell expresses genes for nerve function, while a muscle cell expresses genes that help it contract and relax. But how does a cell know which genes to express? It all comes down to molecular signals. Cells communicate through chemical signals, which instruct them which genes to turn on or off. These signals can come from other cells, from changes in the environment, or even from within the cell itself. They trigger a complex network of reactions that ultimately lead to gene expression. These reactions involve a host of proteins called transcription factors. These factors bind to specific sequences in the DNA, acting like switches to turn genes on or off. Transcription factors are the key players in cellular differentiation, the process through which a generic cell transforms into a specific cell type. When a sperm and egg cell combine to form a fertilized egg, it starts off as a single cell. This cell then divides, forming 2 cells, then 4, then 8, and so on. In the early stages, these cells are all identical and have the potential to become any type of cell. But as the cells continue to divide, they begin to specialize. This specialization is driven by cellular differentiation. Different transcription factors are activated in different cells, leading them to express different genes and thus become different cell types. Cells continue to differentiate until they've formed all the different tissues and organs in the body. This process is meticulously controlled to ensure that each cell develops into the right type at the right time. Faulty differentiation can lead to developmental disorders or diseases, such as cancer. Understanding how cells differentiate is therefore crucial for understanding and combating these conditions. Research into cellular differentiation is ongoing, with scientists constantly uncovering new layers of complexity. Modern techniques, such as stem cell research and gene editing, promise to shed more light on this fascinating process. In conclusion, even though all cells have the same DNA, they develop different functions and form different tissues and organs. This is due to a meticulously controlled process of gene expression and cellular differentiation. By understanding this process, we can gain insights into development, disease, and possibly even the secrets of life itself. Unlocking the mystery of how cells with the same DNA perform different functions is not only fascinating, it's crucial for advancing medicine and biology. So, next time you marvel at the diversity of life, remember, it all starts with the same DNA. The magic lies in how this DNA is expressed, proving that even in biology, it's not what you have, but how you use it that counts.